The tree is cheap. The stockings are hung. The cookies for Santa put on a table. Daddy said, have a time for wait. Santa coming soon. Ring ding ding. I hear must be Santa. His windy flower legs and a story. Is that you, Santa? No, said Mommy. It's just the telephone. Go back to bed. Is that you, Santa? No, said Daddy. I got your trust. Then do the door shut. Go back to bed. Quack, quack, he says. Must be Santa. Santa down a chimney. Is that you, Santa? No, said Mommy. Eating a cat. Be under the tree. She plucked some ball. Is that you, Santa? No, said Mommy. Mommy and Daddy in the popcorn and watching TV. Mommy said, go to bed. The Santa will not come. You are not in bed. I go to bed. I wait and wait, but no Santa. Where are you? Just getting sleepy. My eyes are closing. Santa, where are you? Look at all the presents. Santa did come, but I did not hear Santa. How do you do that?